A few moments later.
Hello friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Elvin Agustin. I am in 10 grade TKR 4. So, I went to buy siomay in Wangon and I am accompanied by my mom, guys. And finally, I arrived at my favorite siomay seller, guys. I bought 10,000 rupiah worth of siomay, guys. But I bought the siomay without vegetables, guys, because I don't really like vegetables. That all for today's mini vlog, friends. I'm going to head home now. Bye bye, see you again.